wanted to share with you real quick, step by step, the process that we use for our pay-per-lead sites. So, um, first thing that we do is we're looking for cities that have a population of over 100,000 people. And then in those cities, we want to look for cities that have over 1,000 searches a month for their main keywords. So that might be, Denver roofing or Denver roofers or something like that. And finally, we want to choose a business that will have no problem paying $50 per lead phone call. So when I first started, I was doing carpet cleaning sites, and so I was doing the work, I was doing the lead generator, I was setting up businesses, but they wanted to pay $15 and $20 per phone call, not the $50 that I wanted. So then that's when I switched over to the roofing niche, because the average sale for a carpet cleaner is going to be like $75, $80, to whereas average sale for a roofing client might be $15,000. So they're not going to mind paying. They might have to pay $200 to get one customer from their leads, right? If they have a conversion rate of, for every 4 leads that we get, one person will sign up and buy a roof from us, they know I'll pay $200, I'll make $15,000. It's not a hard choice for them. So, for example, I gave you the Portland roofing and the Denver roofing sites. So here is the strategy that we follow. Step number 1, I should have put, is that we set up a website in that city. So Portland roofing experts or Denver roofing experts. Then we do SEO, social media, whatever we need to do to get traffic to that website. Then we want to get calls from that traffic to that website. And I have a software that tracks phone calls and gives us tracking numbers. And we want to own the websites, we want to own the phone numbers. So, if we're working with the business, we don't like the way they treat the customers, they're not paying on time, etc., then we just change the forwarded number, but we don't have to change the number on the website. The number on the website will always stay the same. So 1, get traffic, 2, get calls from that traffic. Number 3, we want to test and track how many visits to phone calls. So we want to know if we get 4 visits to the website, that's going to equal 1 phone call. It also helps tell us, like, if we were to do pay-per-click, if I pay for 4 clicks to this website, it will equal 1 call. And if we know that 1 lead will be worth $50, if we pay less than $50 per lead, then we'll know we're still profitable. Number 4, after we're getting calls and we're getting traffic, that's where I come in. So step 1, 2, and 3 will be you guys. Step 4 is I will contact 5 to 10 businesses in that city, and I want to offer a business a trial run of 5 leads for $20, right? So it's a way for them to try out our services, see if our leads are good or bad. It's a low-cost entry for them, and most of the time they don't mind paying $20 if they're going to get 5 leads out of it. So after they run through the trial period, what we do is we actually sell lead packages. So we sell packages of 5, 10, and 15 leads at a time. So we might do something like 5 leads at $60 per lead. So you pay $300 and you'll get 5 leads. We might say 10 leads for $55 or 15 leads for $50 per lead at $750. And so they pay upfront for the leads, and then I'm testing and tracking and seeing where the phone calls are coming in, and that's getting deducted from their money. Now, number 6, when their balance is running low, I contact them, see how they're doing, if they're enjoying, if they're getting good results, and say, hey, would you like to do another 10, 15 leads? If they say yes, great, we rinse and repeat. If they say no, that's fine, we'll go and work with another roofing company in that city. So this is the strategy. So whenever we want to start working in a new city, I will buy the domain name. We can put it on my hosting. And I'll get the tracking number. You guys just put the content and you do the SEO. And again, we'll go 50-50. So, 50-50 of the trial and 50-50 of the lead cost. And we just do this. I would like to do, a minimum of about 2 sites a month. Working on 2 cities a month. And what I forgot to say is that we want to build one of these sites in every single city that meets the criteria above. They got population over 1,000. They got cities that have searches over 1,000 a month. And they have no problem paying $50 per lead. I want to do a roofing site for every single city that meets this criteria. So that might be, 50 or 40 cities in the United States that meet this criteria. I want to have a ranking site in every single one of those cities. And yeah, and so that's the strategy, and that's how I plan on doing this business model. All right.